Hello, welcome back to my beauty channel. And if you are new here, my name is Steffi Marie, where I am a mom that does her hair at midnight because this is my only time, and don't judge me. Okay, so today what we're gonna do is we are dyeing my hair. So this is my hair. We have so many different colors going on. Coppers, we got blondes, we got a lot of different things going on. I do have grays, as you could tell. It's genetics. Genetically, my Native American side of the family, we all get grays really young. Nothing I can do about it, but I do touch up my roots quite often. So because I touch up my roots so often, I just figured, you know what? I'm over the blonde. I can never stick to the same hair color. So today we are dyeing my hair like a chocolate brown color. I don't want to go quite black because it's like a little too harsh with my grays growing out. So I do want to start by showing you the products that I have. So I did go to Sally's earlier today and I bought this. It's like a vitamin E permanent liquid hair cream, and it's in the color light red copper. And I'll explain more about it while I'm dyeing my hair. And I got this argan oil hair color in light chocolate brown. I'm using this L'Oreal 20 volume cream developer. I don't think I got this at Sally's. I think I got it like some random beauty hair store. Like I mentioned, I'm a person that cannot stick with the same hair color. So I bought a little bag from like a dollar store of 100 count disposable gloves. And it's like a one size fit all. So I'm like, I always going through so many gloves, even if I buy like the expensive pair, because I dye my hair so often and my nails are like freaking claws. I'm always tearing them. So I just figured go to the dollar store, buy the really big bag that comes with a lot. That way I don't have to stress about running out of bags. And I know that before I bought this, I used the like proper gloves to dye your hair, and mid lightening my hair, one of the thumbs tore through because of my nails, and it was like 11 o'clock at night. I'm lightening my hair and I got bleach all over my thumb. So I don't recommend if you are a person like me that cannot stick to the same hair color, just buy a bag of multiple pack of gloves to save yourself from burning your skin. Before we get started, I do want to take a moment to remind you to subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I upload new videos every Sunday and Wednesday, and also like this video. It helps me out way more than you even know, and we'll go ahead and jump into it. All right, so I am mixing the color right now, and it says to do a 1:2 ratio. Basically, it's 2 ounces of the hair color and 4 ounces of the developer. Okay, and first things first, I changed my shirt into a shirt that I do not care about. I have, as you can see, the little speckles around the collar. It's a shirt that I have used to dye my hair, bleach it, all that. So just throw on a shirt you don't care about. Even pants that you don't care about. So I'm wearing sweatpants that I don't care about. They're like old maternity sweatpants. So really don't care. I'm brushing out my hair right now with a wide tooth comb to get any tangles out. And we'll go ahead and get started. So this is not breakage, just to let you know. I did have a baby a year ago. He's going to turn 1 on January 30th. And 4 months postpartum, I had a lot of hair fall out and my hair finally grew back. And so this is all just new hair growth. So not breakage from lightening, it's just new hair growth, just to let you know. Quick disclaimer, I am no way, shape, or form a professional. So if you decide to do this, dye your hair at your own will, because I'm just showing you what I do. I'm not telling you to do this, I'm just showing you how I do this. I am just working on the ends where my hair is lightened. And this is the light red copper color. Basically, the reason why I am doing a copper color is because whenever you go blonde and you want to dye your hair brown or black, when you wash your hair out, there is a good chance that your hair can turn green. In order to avoid turning my hair green, I have to fill it with a red color. So this is basically step one. I have to fill it with the red color first. And then after I fill it with the red color, then I'm going to do a chocolate brown. Because I can't see the back of my head, I'm doing a super generous amount of hair color. So my hair is gonna be very red. Because I have to dye my hair so often because of my grays, I don't like to bleach my hair that often, and so I like to touch up my roots with like a more darker color. But I just feel like it just makes more sense being a darker color. I can touch up my roots brown how often as I need, which is 2 to 3 weeks, and I don't have to bleach it. And plus, I'm so tired of being blonde. I don't like it anymore. It's on to something new. So let's cue the lo-fi music and time lapse. All right guys, we're marinating right now. I put all the hair dye in. I gotta get like a wet rag and scrub that off before it soaks in my skin. I forgot to read the directions. Instructions, no. It says 20 volume developer. You do 30 minutes for regular application, 45 minutes for 50 or more % gray hair. Being that I'm not really covering grays, just blondes, I guess I'll do it 30 minutes. We'll do 30 minutes. All right, we're gonna do 30 minutes because it's just a filler. All right, I look like Myrtle Snow from American Horror Story. She is cute, but not on my skin color, no. This hair length, all I need is just to crimp my hair and I'm Myrtle Snow all the way. So this one's an argan oil hair color. It says 100% gray coverage because, girl, do you see this? I did my hair a month ago. That's how much new growth I have. I literally did my hair a month ago. Time to color. And oh, so the ratio, this one is also a 1:2 ratio. Let's get started. I've done this for so long, for so many years where I don't even look in the back of my head a lot. I just kind of like fill around. But the good thing is for my phone, I just look at my phone to make sure I didn't miss any spots on the back of my head. I usually do this piece first because I like the hair dye to saturate it and sit in the longest, because every time I wash my hair, this little piece always fades first. Like the hair dye always fades off first. Okay, so I am done with the color. what I'm gonna do now is just let it sit in for 45 minutes because I am covering grays. So we'll go for 45 minutes and I will check back in with you. I'm not gonna lie, I am nervous. What if it's still red? I'm not gonna be too happy if it's still red. The only thing I'm nervous about is like maybe the red was too dark. I don't know, we'll find out. All right, we are finally finished. I have hair product all over me, well, hair dye all over me, and they're like in my nail bits, kind of gross, but we're finally done. I don't know how I feel about it. I've never had this color before, ever. Like I mentioned before, I've only done like blondes, very, very light, like brown where it's like blonde or black. So this color is new to me. I don't know, is it red? Is it chocolate? I don't know, but oh, here, let me show you the back. So I blew dry my hair. My hair is a bit frizzy because normally I like to wait to blow dry my hair when it's like damp, but I don't have time, it's late, I want to go to sleep, so my hair was still pretty wet. I waited about 10 minutes till I blew dry it, so that was as long as I was willing to wait. I was only willing to wait for 10 minutes until I started blow drying my hair, but yeah, this is it. I think I have to get used to it. Like, it's so different. I feel like it's brown, but like definitely I can see that undertone of red. So I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. Do you think I should go darker, leave it as is? I might leave it as is until I get tired of it, and then might try to go a shade darker in brown. I don't really know, but definitely let me know your opinions. I'm going to call it a night from here. Also, feel free to leave any suggestions you may have. It's always welcomed, and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, so it is the next morning, so I wanted to get on here really quick to show you what my hair looks like in natural light. So it is pretty chocolate, but I feel like you could definitely still see a bit of red under there. So yeah, let me know how you feel. And I also forgot to mention that I do have a daily vlog channel. So if you want to see what I'm doing in between these videos, I will also link my daily vlog channel down below. Bye. I don't like the smell of this. It smells funny. It's like, I don't know, it's like a plasticky smell. It's weird. I definitely dripped on the ground. Still missed a piece. Where the hell are you? We got it. We got this. We got this. Finally got it. Finally got it. And that's my dog.